Welcome back to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. Today's video is a little more real talk than QuickBooks tutorial. So if you're a bookkeeper, go ahead and keep watching this. You're probably going to be nodding your head along the entire time. And if you're a business owner watching this, don't panic. This video isn't meant to shame anyone. It's meant to educate as always, create understanding, and keep things honest. This, I hope, helps everyone just work better together. So today we're talking about the most common pet peeves bookkeepers have, why they matter, and how avoiding them actually saves time, money, and stress on both sides. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we start listing things, let's set the tone. Most bookkeepers don't get annoyed because we're picky. We get annoyed because small issues turn into huge problems. Tiny mistakes end up snowballing, and a lot of stress is completely preventable. These pet peeves that I'm going to be explaining in this video exist because we see the consequences behind the scenes. Number 1, I'll just fix it later mentality. One of the biggest pet peeves is this. When bookkeeping is treated like a future problem. Statements like, I'll catch up later, I'll clean it up at tax time, it's probably fine. Here's the truth. Later bookkeeping is always harder, more expensive, and more stressful. Bookkeepers love consistency. Panic cleanups? Not so much. However, that is my specialty. Number 2, clients touching the bank feed. Ugh, that just makes me cringe. If bookkeepers had a group chat, this, I swear to God, it would be at the top. When clients categorize transactions randomly, add duplicates, accept everything without even reviewing, upload transactions manually on top of what's already coming in through the bank feeds. This creates reconciliation issues, duplicate expenses, inaccurate reports, and a lot of cleanup work that didn't need to exist. Automation is great, but only when someone trained is reviewing it. Number 3, missing or incomplete documents. How many times have I said it? Receipts matter. When clients don't upload receipts, or they send screenshots instead of actual documents, or they lose invoices or forget context for expenses, it really does slow everything down. Bookkeepers are not mind readers. We need documentation, like the IRS, to keep books accurate and compliant. One thing I recommend to all of my business owners is if they're going to have QuickBooks or even log into QuickBooks, do it on the mobile app. The mobile app has a snap receipt feature where you can just take a picture of your receipt, QuickBooks scans it, tells you if the image is compliant, and then you can upload it or go on your merry way. I love that feature, especially for my business owners who are on the go or do a lot of work at job sites on tablets or on their phone. Number 4, can you just quickly ... requests. This one really hits home for me. Can you just quickly check something? Can you just quickly add this? It'll only take a minute. How many times have you heard your clients ask that, either in a text or a phone call or in the subject line of an email? Nothing in bookkeeping just takes a minute. Those quick requests often involve research, adjustments, reconciliation impacts, and report updates. Bookkeepers value clarity, not urgency disguised as smallness. Number 5, not responding until it's urgent. Another common pet peeve among me and my fellow bookkeepers is this: silence. Until suddenly everything is urgent. When clients ignore document requests, don't answer questions, or delay approvals, then all of a sudden they need something that day. Bookkeeping works best with steady communication, not last-minute fire drills. Number 6, blaming the bookkeeper for software changes. Who else has got this one? Okay, if you have been a bookkeeper with QuickBooks for long enough, then you have probably gotten this. And it's not our fault, I swear. QuickBooks changed something. A report looks different, a feature is moved. Somehow, the bookkeeper always gets blamed. We personally do not control the software. However, we do adapt to it. That's our job. QuickBooks is cloud-based, and it's one of the features that a lot of business owners love and appreciate about QuickBooks is that it's cloud-based. But what comes with cloud-based software is a lot of updates and changes. And a lot of these updates and changes are to make things easier on our end, or they're implementing changes that business owners have requested. There's a lot of feedback back and forth between QuickBooks. They send out a lot of surveys. They ask your opinion. You can always submit your opinions or complaints to them, and they really do take that into consideration when they develop the software. There is also an annual QuickBooks Online update that happens every year in December. So make sure you're subscribed right here to this channel to make sure you are up to date on everything happening with QuickBooks. Number 7, confusing bookkeeping with tax or legal advice. Now, this is a big one. Bookkeepers love helping. We are some of the most helpful people a business owner can have on their side, but we are not tax advisors unless you're licensed as an EA or a CPA. We're also not legal counsel, and we also do not set tax laws. We work with accountants, not instead of them. Clear rules protect everyone. So if you are a new freelance bookkeeper, make sure you are communicating your role to your clients so they don't assume everything and then get let down. Number 8, scope creep without conversation. Now, scope creep happens when extra tasks get added casually. Responsibilities grow quietly, and expectations change without discussion. Great bookkeepers don't mind growing with their clients. Honestly, it's one of my favorite aspects of my career. But it needs to be a conversation. Respecting scope equals respecting time. Here's some good news. Most bookkeepers just want clear communication, timely documents, respect for their boundaries, and for you to trust in the process. When those things exist, bookkeeping becomes smoother for everyone. So if you're a business owner watching this, don't worry. You're not doing everything wrong. Most pet peeves aren't about perfection. They're about collaboration. And if you're a bookkeeper watching this, your feelings are totally valid. If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss an upload. And if you need private QuickBooks online coaching or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.